But Elliot, I mean, how critical is this exchange? I mean, obviously, they're talking to Carolyn, you as well. They're talking to the jurors here about a very critical piece of evidence.
Yeah, certainly. It's critical for the purposes of the defense, because one of the strongest things a defense team can do is just at least pose. I'm just saying.
Just asking questions.
Just asking questions.
Yeah.
Maybe this evidence doesn't have the integrity that you think it does. So there's a couple things going on. Number one, this concept of what's called chain of custody in the law. Where was every step along the way that this piece of evidence went, and was it tampered with along the way? And is it authentic? Is it the thing that you say it is? Now, look, common sense says, even as the witness says, I have no reason to believe that there's anything tampered with this. But as we were talking about in the break, in the age of AI and deep fakes and so on, it is very important to lock up in front of a jury, is this thing what you say it is? And I think the defense will return to this, in its closing or whatever.
Yeah, Carolyn, what do you think?
Well, the devil's always in the details, and there's a lot of word parsing. What is the meaning of is? What is a relationship? I have no reason to believe. Well, what would be a reason? Would this be a reason? Well, yeah, that would be a reason. And then all of a sudden, there goes your Jenga tower. So it is critical to the jury, because the jury's looking for indicia of reliability. And they will know, if they don't already know, that Michael Cohen has some credibility problems. So, and just because the jury's instructed, if you lie about A, you lie about everything, jurors don't necessarily do that. And the jury instructions, they're all very well and good, but jurors are going to do what they think is right. Yeah. And if Cohen does manage to strike a chord of credibility, he's going to have to be credible to 12 people on really important issues like, did he tamper?
And Trump apparently hit Beauvais' arm and gestured for him to get back up to the podium, but the attorney shook his head no.